Hello everyone, I'm the founder of Coverletter AI and I quickly want to demo you how Coverletter AI can help you accelerate the process of writing cover letters for any job. So I start with logging in. Again, we'll go quickly. Yep, so I'm logged in and I just have to, typically, I already have updated my CV, but you go to settings and then it'll alert you anyway on the landing page that you have not filled your CV, but you basically go, either you can just pick a PDF and extract text or just paste the text. So I've done that already. Then I go to the generate cover letter. And then in case I want to write cover letter in other language than English, I have to check this option here, but I'm writing in English. And I'm taking a persuasive style, the company I'm applying for, in this case, let's say Goldman Sachs. And job description, I already got a job description here, but I'm just gonna paste here directly. And the skills that I want to highlight is programming, leadership, and probably also analytical skills. Okay, analytical. And then just say temperature 0.6. Then temperature is basically like a degree of creativity. The closer to 0, less creative, closer to 1, more creative, and let's might deviate away from facts. So I think it's between 0.4 and 0.7 is a sweet spot. And any starting prompt you want, like you already have some starting text in mind, you can write it here, and then the app will basically continue from where you have left. But I will start with no prompt, so I'll let it generate a prompt for me. A cover letter for me, and then I can then edit that cover letter and let it complete and iterate this process until I'm done, happy with the results, and then download it. So here we have the first response, and just for the demo sake, I just say, let's say I'm happy with this response. I'm gonna say, okay, I'm gonna make some edits here, and I say, okay, I like it till here. I can add my own text. I say, okay, I like it here till here, and that's okay. That's okay, I like it till here. And that's okay. I'll ask I want this AI to complete afterwards. Like give me a new option, a new version. So then I said, okay, complete cover letter. So it'll start from that point where we have left and then try to finish it. Of course, I can add on my own text and let it finish. But in this case, just for the sake of a quick demo. So yeah, so see, now it came with a new iteration and then okay, I'd say, okay, I'm happy till maybe here, and then say, okay, then I want it to complete. So it's just a complete cover letter, and then I wait for another one. And yeah, and then you can continue this process till I'm done. And once I'm done, okay, I'm happy with the results, and then I say download as a Word document, and I have this cover letter as a Word document.